Welcome to BSP Metatech LLP. In a world driven by precision and innovation, BSP Metatech LLP stands leader in advanced sheet metal processing and fabrication. Committed to excellence, we deliver high-quality, customized engineering solutions that power industries forward. From concept to completion, we ensure precision, reliability, and innovation in every project. Founded with a vision to redefine the sheet metal processing industry, BSP Metatech LLP has established itself as a trusted name in advanced metal processing technology. Our team of skilled professionals and engineers brings decades of expertise, ensuring that every product we create meets the highest industry standards. At BSP Metatech, we specialize in a comprehensive range of services, including advanced stamping and aligned welded assemblies and structures, precision laser cutting, bending, and fabrication across light, medium, and heavy categories, custom fabrication solutions tailored to industry-specific needs, innovative process design, along with the development of fixtures, tools, and gauges. Equipped with state-of-the-art machinery and a meticulous attention to detail, we bring efficiency and accuracy to every project, regardless of its scale. Our expertise spans diverse sectors, including automotive, manufacturing sheet metal stamping products, and assemblies for passenger cars, light-duty and heavy-duty commercial vehicles. Our capabilities include stamping, laser cutting, MIG, TIG welding, resistance welding, and various surface treatments. Off-road vehicles, supplying over 200 different sheet metal fabricated assemblies to OEMs in sectors such as earth-moving, tipper manufacturing, railways, metro systems, concrete mixer equipment, cold material handling transit vehicles, and agricultural machinery. Engineering applications, delivering turnkey projects encompassing design, development, execution, and commissioning of greenfield factory sites. We serve industries like power transmission and infrastructure, marine engineering, paper and pulp machinery, and sugar mill equipment. Regardless of the industry, our objective remains consistent: to provide innovative and reliable solutions that drive progress. Quality is at the core of our operations. Our manufacturing processes adhere to stringent quality control measures, ensuring every component we produce is durable, safe, and compliant with regulatory standards. By integrating the latest advancements in sheet metal processing, we stay ahead of industry trends, offering our clients cutting-edge solutions. At BSP Metatech, we prioritize building strong relationships with our clients. Our customer-first approach ensures we understand your unique requirements, providing personalized solutions that align with your business objectives. We take pride in our consistent on-time delivery because your success is our priority. With a legacy of trust, a passion for innovation, and an unwavering commitment to excellence, BSP Metatech LLP continues to shape the future of sheet metal processing and fabrication. Partner with us for precision-engineered solutions that stand the test of time. Let's build the future together. Contact us today to discover how BSP Metatech can support your business with world-class sheet metal processing and fabrication solutions.